Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Stop Let's Talk. Today we are celebrating a very special day, India's independence. We are back on streets again with some interesting question, asking people what makes them proud to be an Indian. Let's go. Great. I'm here with what's your name, sir?
Siddharth.
Siddharth,
Niveda,
Niveda,
Lavanya,
Lavanya,
Priyanka,
Priyanka,
Arpita,
Arpita,
Batul,
Niba Praveen.
Deepta,
Gupta,
Vasha,
Vasha,
Ganesh K.
Ganesh,
Chandana.
Chandana.
Dhriti.
Dhriti. The first question is, how many years has it been since India got its independence?
76.
Yeah.
76?
No, not 76.
86.
Last year was 75.
20, 76, I guess.
76.
Maybe 78, 8 or 77. 70 something. 76. I think it's like 50, some 50.
No, I'm pretty sure in the 70s.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure.
Independence.
100 to 200 years.
Think.
How many years has it been since India attained independence?
77?
Wow, you got it right.
79? 78 or 79?
No.
47 was our independence.
Yeah,
1947.
yeah.
97 to calculate after.
Okay, you can calculate if you want to.
37, 57, 67, 77, 87, 97, 58.
70?
6.
Oh, super close. Yeah,
Huh?
yeah, you're right. You're almost closer.
100
Yeah.
100 and 150.
Can you start from 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'll stop you at a place.
Yeah, 77. This year it's the 77th year of independence. I guess. 77.
Can I lock the answer?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yes.
You got the right answer.
77.
Huh?
77.
Yeah, 77. Right, it's 77.
Right?
77.
Do you all agree?
Yeah.
Yeah?
78.
77 or 78?
Give me one answer.
Not 78. Yeah, 78.
70?
8.
Not 70. Not 78.
81.
81? 81? Are you sure? Shall I lock option B, 81?
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Absolutely wrong.
80 years.
80?
Not 80. 76. I think 76th one is going on.
Almost close.
75. No, 75th recently got over.
Yeah. recently got
77?
it. Yeah, you got it.
77,
You got
yeah.
it. Right. That's amazing.
77.
Getting there. Who is our father of nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Okay, what's the full name of Mahatma Gandhi?
Mohandas
Christian
Karamchand.
Gandhi. MJ.
Karamchand.
Correct.
MJ. Michael Jackson.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi must be the right answer. Probably might have some other name.
Some other. In the Badul something, I think.
4 names.
Yeah, he has 4 names, yeah.
Oh,
One more name. Not sure. Not sure.
Mohandas Karamchand, some blank.
Some
Gandhi.
blank.
Some blank
Gandhi. Dash Gandhi.
Fill in the gap.
Yeah.
No, but fill the gap. What can be? Okay.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. 3 words only.
Yeah. Where is it confusing for you guys?
We thought there'd be 4 words.
4 words.
Sorry.
சார்ட்டா சொல்லிருக்கேன் குழப்பி விட்டுருக்கேன் 4 வார்த்தை குழப்பி விட்டுருக்கேன்
Okay.
Please,
One.
the MJ part.
MJ Gandhi.
மேரி ஜெயின் காந்தி
I really like MJ Gandhi. No, the father of nation.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Sorry?
Mahatma Gandhi.
The full name of Mahatma Gandhi is?
Where I know? Mohandas Karamchand.
Oh yes, you got it right. The next one is, in which year did India got its independence?
1947
And the date?
August 15.
August 18.
Huh?
August 15.
Yeah, that's correct.
अब लो मक्खिल. August 15.
Paka?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah? Okay, very good. Right answer. In which year did the India got independence?
1947.
And which day?
15th August.
The date, 15th August.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know.
Yeah.
So you believe that it's not 15th August?
It is 15th August.
Maybe it's not 15th August.
Yeah.
Uh,
You got it right.
maybe it's not 15th
Come
August.
little. Yeah.
Is it Jan 26th? It started and it came effective on.
Very
August
close, very
15th.
close. Yeah, January 26th
Yeah.
came effect on. Yeah.
August.
Very close, very close.
Yeah. So
So,
that's not a right answer.
so India got independence on 26th Jan.
Yes.
And which year?
1947.
Okay, India got Independence Day on 26th Jan 1947.
Hmm.
So when do we celebrate our Republic Day then?
Jan 26th.
26th.
If Jan 26 is Independence Day and also Republic Day.
We have no idea. No idea.
I'm sweating.
Yes.
Wait, I know. 1947.
Who's our father of nation?
Father of nation, Jawaharlal. No, Abdul Kalam. No, I am stupid.
It's okay.
Oh yeah, Mahatma Gandhi. I'm so sorry. I'm
Yeah,
so
who's our father of nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Okay, what's his full name?
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mohandas
Wow.
Karamchand
Yeah,
Gandhi.
you got it right. You got it right. Who's our first prime minister?
Jawaharlal Nehru. Right?
Yes.
Be sure. Just you need to lock the answer.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Yeah, you got it. Okay, and who's the first prime minister?
Nehru.
Yeah.
No. Yeah, stop it.
No.
It's a turban guy.
Yeah.
Manmohan Singh. Right?
No.
Okay.
Okay, why did you think is a turban guy?
I don't know. It's a wild guess. But Nehru.
And Manmohan Singh was the first prime minister?
No.
No?
No, I'm positive.
You're positive. Okay, full name of Nehru.
Jawaharlal Nehru. Yeah.
Yeah.
First Prime Minister.
Yeah, you got it. Very close. Very close, very close.
I don't know. Really.
It's Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Oh, I thought.
Who's the current president?
Draupadi Murmu.
Hmm?
Draupadi Murmu.
Murmuru. Murmu.
Yeah, Murmu.
Yeah?
Yeah, correct.
Right? So we lock the answer?
Yes, very sure.
Okay, wonderful. You got it right.
Murmur.
Murmuru.
Draupadi Murmu.
Murmu.
Draupadi Murmu.
Draupadi not sure. Now Murmu is right. I hope she.
Okay, and who's the current prime minister?
Narendra Modi.
Huh?
Sri Narendra Modi.
Sri Narendra Modi.
Shri Narendra. That's right. What's the full name of Narendra Modi?
Narendra Damodas.
Damodar Das.
Damodar Das Amo.
Narendra Damodar.
She is very smart in this thing.
Yeah. I know you're thinking something different answer. MJ Modi.
She might go to Congress.
Okay, who's the current president?
President.
Okay. First of all,
Okay.
does India have president
Yes,
or
we
not?
do have a president.
We have a president, and you got
Yeah.
it right. And who's the current president?
We don't know the name, but surely there's a president.
Ah. Yeah, day before yesterday she was the president.
She.
He.
She.
Yeah, she.
That woman with the glasses.
I am.
Women with the glass and sari.
No. She is some.
Turn this side, no? Yeah.
We don't know the name.
Okay, try. Give me some name. Try thinking. You want to do phone a friend? You want to check with your friend?
Call your mom.
Yeah.
I'm not calling my mom.
Okay, you can call me. Okay, try someone. Just do a phone a friend.
Okay. Who do you want to call?
Sunita.
Yeah. So you think she's the smartest?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's the smartest.
So before you talk,
Political matters.
No, she's very smart.
she's very smart.
Hello? Hello. Who is the president of our India now?
Current president.
Current president?
ಬೇಗ ಹೇಳು. ಶಿಖದ್ದು ಕಾಲ. ನೀನು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡು.
Yeah, you try something.
Yeah, I'll try.
ಹೇಳು ಕೇಳ್ದಷ್ಟು.
ದ್ರೌಪದಿ ಮುರುಮುರು ಎಂತದು
Draupadi.
ಮೂರು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಜಿನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿದೆ.
Okay, it's Draupadi.
ಮೂರು
Muru.
Correct?
Very nice.
something.
Muru.
Thank you.
Thank you.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚರ್ಚ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಸಿಗಾಕೊಂಡೆ. ಹಾ ಸರಿ ಬಾಯ್.
ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್.
ಹಾ ಓಕೆ.
So, who's the president?
Draupadi.
Murmuru.
Yeah, Murmuru.
Who is our current president?
Draupadi Murmu.
And you would say, yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, I remember Ramnath Kovind.
The one that you remember?
Draupadi
Yeah. Good. And who is the current prime minister?
Modi. No. It's on. What? It's on. I don't. I'm not sure.
Yeah, yesterday they changed it.
Yeah, really, you're damn man. No, it's not him. But I'm not sure who it is.
Then who? Who is the current prime minister?
What the hell? I thought it was Modi. No, it's not. Okay, no, I need to read the news.
Then what is it? Then who is he?
He's not the prime minister. I know that.
Yeah.
I know it's like still BJP, but I don't know. I'm not sure.
She's right. Narendra Modi.
See, he played you. Didn't he? No, he didn't. He got elected. They love him so much.
I mean, when you're sure, yeah, you should be sure, you know. I would do all kinds of tricks, yeah. I would do all kinds of tricks.
Bro, this is psychology.
Yeah.
This is
Okay.
not an Independence Day quiz.
Yeah. And who is our current prime minister?
Narendra Modi. And also one more is there.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, who is he?
Who is the other friend? Google it.
I'm super surprised because India has two prime ministers.
No,
India has one prime minister.
India's, but this election, okay, it's
This
more.
election they had two prime ministers.
Yeah.
I mean, probably, you know, I would have missed out some information.
No, I'm not sure. Okay, it's Narendra Modi only.
What is our national bird?
Peacock.
Yeah?
Right, peacock.
Okay, wonderful. So, if peacock lays egg right in the Indian-Pakistan border, whom shall the egg belongs to?
Peacock doesn't lay eggs, no?
It lays.
No.
Yeah.
No, it lays.
Yeah, she's right.
PN lays it, not
Peahen
peacock.
is male version of peacock. No, I don't think it lays eggs.
Hey,
Peahen the male version. Peahen is
PN is.
female, no? Yeah.
Yeah,
Hey, peacock
peahen
doesn't lay eggs.
Yeah,
I was
yeah,
right
yeah.
in the beginning. Yeah.
Yeah.
It is not gonna lay in the Indian-Pakistan border. I don't think it can survive the.
You see, I know you're super smart. Okay, but
You said not to imagine.
okay. See, I'll ask the question again. Peacock lays egg in Indian-Pakistan border. So, to whom does it belong? India
No
or
one, it will
Pakistan?
die with the cold. It's border.
To whom does it belong?
Okay, it
India or
belongs
Pakistan?
to Indian only because the Indian peacock gave birth. See,
Okay, next one. Okay. What is our national bird?
What's on?
What's our national bird?
Bird. Peacock.
Okay. If peacock lays egg right in the middle of India and Pakistan border, whom does the egg belong to?
Half and half.
Half and half. They boil the egg and they
In the border.
in the border, India and Pakistan border.
Fight for him.
Fight for the egg.
No, I mean like. Depends.
Whom does it belong to?
They'll just decide.
They'll decide.
They'll do like a whole
They'll have a roundtable
discussing.
conference.
Yeah, they'll
You know,
sit there.
they'll discuss
They'll
over the egg. You know, whom does it belong to?
Why would they discuss about the egg? It's so stupid. It's not even part of their Indian politics. They don't have time for that shit.
I think it should be like India's, because it's India's bird.
It's India's bird, so it belongs to India.
Yeah.
And you would say?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
India.
India. Why?
Because it's an international.
It belongs to peacock. They should auction the
You are very
auction the
smart.
egg.
Okay. Huh?
Auction the egg.
Auction it. Hey,
Whoever pays the highest will put it there.
India.
India. Why?
Because
We treat it with more respect.
yeah.
More respect. More
Very
respect.
precious to us.
Okay. Which school are you guys are in?
So far,
So fires and cottons.
Cottons. Very good. You know, peacock doesn't lay egg. PN lays egg.
Oh,
Yeah, correct. Who wrote the national anthem?
Yeah, that we lock in for sure.
There are two things.
You're right?
Yeah.
You're right, of course.
Okay, great. Who wrote our national anthem?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Yeah.
What is that, yeah?
She's right. The same answer.
Why she is right?
Because he wrote the national anthem.
Who is he? Who is he?
He's from West Bengal. He's a songwriter and
He's a songwriter.
composer.
Composer.
Yeah, I guess.
Like Rahman.
Okay. Oh yeah, only that's it.
Okay, what is he? What is he? What is our national bird?
Sorry?
What is our national bird?
Peacock.
Peacock. Okay, if peacock lays egg in India-Pakistan border, okay, right in the middle of the border, whom does the egg belong to?
India.
India or Pakistan?
India.
Peacock.
Yeah, for peacock only it belongs to. Peacock, it belongs to peacock itself. Why we have to fight for that actually?
India. Why?
Because it's our national bird.
Yeah, it's our national bird. We're Indians.
Because
And it's our national bird.
okay.
It's not Pakistan's national bird, it's India's national bird. So,
Okay. And very good. National bird.
Bird, peacock.
Peacock. Okay. If peacock lays egg right in the borders of India and Pakistan, whom does the egg belong to?
Does peacock lay eggs? The hen, right?
Yeah, you got it right. Okay, what is our national bird?
Peacock.
Okay. If peacock lays egg right in India-Pakistan border. Okay.
Okay.
Right in the middle.
Okay.
Okay. Whom does the egg belong to?
Peacock is male, so it can't lay egg.
You got it right. Yeah. Okay, which is our national tree?
Banyan.
Banyan tree?
Banyan tree. Ramraj wasting banyan.
Banyan. Sorry.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Which is our national tree?
National
Tree.
tree. Mango?
Tree.
Coconut.
Tree.
oh.
Tree. Not the fruit.
Mango. Banyan tree?
Huh?
Banyan, yeah. Mango, banyan.
What is it?
I don't know. Banyan tree?
Banyan? Banyan tree. Is it? And you would say?
Yes.
Yes. Who wrote national anthem?
Who wrote national anthem? Who wrote national anthem? I forgot.
My grandfather.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
That's
I'm
okay.
stupid.
You just
I
got
just
it right.
blanked out actually. He
Like-
wrote it in the submarine.
You wrote it in the?
I think he was in the submarine when he wrote it or something.
It was in submarine.
I think. Okay, no. Can you cut that part out? Edit that part out.
It was in submarine, guys. Are you sure?
anthem. Yeah,
National anthem. National anthem.
is the other dude.
National anthem, guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who's the other dude?
I don't remember.
I think you guys met that dude as well.
Phone a friend.
Yeah, you can try it. Phone a friend. Try. Call someone. Call someone.
Hello, bro.
By the way, this is Gideon Gopi from Kaun Banega Karodpati. We are here on Church Street asking some interesting questions to your friends. And since they got stuck in middle, so they wanted your help. Please help them out. You have 30 seconds to answer.
I have to.
Yeah.
Okay.
You'll get money, bro. Come on.
Okay. Ask. Yeah.
I have a question.
Huh?
Do you know who wrote our national anthem? Oh shit.
I am not sure. Why?
We're having a quiz here. Can you?
Is it national anthem? No.
Yeah.
Wait, I'll tell. Rabindranath Tagore.
Sing Rabindranath.
Are you
Yeah.
sure?
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Yeah. Give the phone to Gangi.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Just stop. Put it on. Don't put it on speaker. I don't think so.
She'll abuse you. I'm sorry.
What scam is this?
What scam is this?
Okay, bye, Gauri.
Bye, bro.
Bye.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, and the last one. Okay. As an Indians, what are you guys are proud of?
Diversity and unity.
Diversity, yeah, multiplicity of people, languages.
Here itself, he is
Yeah.
Malayali, she is Tamil, and I am Telugu, and we are together.
Yeah.
Wow.
So we are 3 states together.
Wow.
3 states in Karnataka.
And we are in the 4th state.
You're in the first-
I can see that. Correct. We are bunch of idiots.
Okay, as an Indian, what are you proud of?
I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of the soldiers fighting for the country.
Wow, that's weird.
Look around. There's just everyone. I feel like ISRO.
Huh?
ISRO.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're right.
I really like ISRO. Like that's the only thing like I really like about India, like the whole space thing.
Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing.
Obviously, the ambience, the cleanliness, the weather.
The people?
No. And people who like stop you to interview while you're just trying to like just trying to walk about your day.
Yeah, in spite of, you said, no, but
You
still
only
we
find
pulled in
this
it.
stuff in India.
Yeah, it's amazing.
I feel now Indians are actually taking over the world. They are globally, they're actually, every culture is also following Indian culture, and that actually makes me really proud to be part in it.
That's amazing. Being an Indian, what are you proud of?
All the different languages and cultures that we share. It's really good. We have a group and all of us are from different states. So that's really cool. I like that a lot. That we got to be together even though we're from different places.
Wow, that's amazing. What are you proud of as an Indian?
Same thing.
Culture, language, and food.
Wow. And why culture, why language?
Obviously, India is a diverse culture, and you can explore many things. All Indians are like friends. Wherever you go, you can make friends easily.
That's it.
Being an Indian. It's culture.
Everything about it.
Yeah, it's culture.
Okay, what is everything?
Mainly it's culture for me.
Yeah.
Very proud of its
Culture?
culture.
Culture.
Just culture, nothing else?
us our cultural heritage.
That's
What
amazing.
are which history? Which history?
Rich history. Okay, that's wonderful. Great. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your time. Okay, and if you guys are on Instagram,
Please,
I would request my team to edit the part.
part of the
Yeah.
submarine.
I would request my editor to please cut down the part of submarine.
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
If you post it,
You,
then
you want to request him something, like just say it out.
just cut no,
No, just mention what he has to cut, because our editor, he doesn't know what he's supposed to
the
cut.
submarine part. You know what it is.
No, mention that properly.
No,
Please.
no, I'm not saying it. You're cutting it out.